you're looking for a sports SUV to have a lot of fun with, that sounds good and has a V8, this Porsche Cayenne GTS Coupe might be the one. For starters, you've got an exhaust that sounds like this. And when you really get on it, it sounds like this. Here on the inside of the Cayenne GTS, you've got leather and Alcantara wrapped around almost every surface. You've got a massive infotainment screen up front, you've got buttons to do almost everything, and you've got the best build quality I've felt in a car in a long time. This thing's not falling apart. You've got these leather sport seats that give you all of the support that you could ever need. And as you can see, you've also got a beautiful panoramic sunroof that opens up the entire roof. But best of all is you've got a twin turbocharged 4-litre V8 that puts out 338 kilowatts and 620 newton meters of torque. It sounds like this. And when you play with the paddles, you get all the pops on your downshift too. I hope you heard that. And in front of the driver, you've got this beautiful leather wrap steering wheel. You've got these paddle shifters and you've got digital gauge clusters with a physical one in the middle so that you can do this. You also can't forget about this dial over here that sets the car into Sport, Sport Plus and Normal, that opens up the exhausts and gets this car ready for the track. And one thing I'm most impressed by is the space back here. This is in my driving position and I've got at least a fist of space in front of my knees. And my head's not even touching the roof, and this is a coupe. And what about a launch? I got you. With this being a GTS coupe, you've got a lower, sleeker design towards the rear. You've got these wings and this lip. It just looks badass. So that's the beautiful Porsche Cayenne GTS coupe. What do you think of it? Or do you prefer the standard SUV? Let me know.